Tennessee, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tom Miners, just giving you a quick update on the forecast for the rest of this Saturday and a good part of the weekend too. We do have a chance for severe weather going out there into the evening hours on the Saturday across West Tennessee, so I want to give you a quick update as to what's going on. Meteorologist Eddie Holmes, of course, had the update for us earlier in the morning, but Laura's going to be on later today with the very latest update on WBBJ at 6 o'clock. So let's just start taking a look at what's going on our maps here. We do have a moderate risk for severe weather in a good part of West Tennessee. Also a slight risk in northwest portions of the Mid-South, where currently there's some heavy rainfall occurring, as we can see here. Now, we're just going to come back to this in a minute. This is from the Storm Prediction Center weather website, actually, but I want to go to the Doppler radar and show you what's going on over West Tennessee and the Mid-South right now. We have a few gaps in the radar data, but we'll just take a very look at the latest one that actually just show some of those flood warnings, which are those green boxes you can see over northeast Arkansas, western Kentucky, and also some part of the Cape Girardeau area in Missouri. Now, there's a heavy band of showers moving through some parts of eastern parts, actually, of Arkansas right now, and that's going to be moving to northwest Tennessee briefly, bringing some very gusty winds along with it. That's what we usually expect to see out of some of those heavy bands of showers, and then they form on the radar like this. But some parts of Crittenden and also Poinsett County in Arkansas have seen a lot of rainfall over the past couple of hours. This is the storm total rainfall as estimated by Doppler radar thus far with this system, and as much as maybe 4 or 3 inches in those parts of the Jonesboro metro area. Farther south along Highway 67, you're still seeing some of those amounts close to 4 inches already today, with even more rain on the way. One of the models we'll take a quick look at that gives us the very latest look at the forecast is the High Resolution Rapid Refresh model. And so in the very latest look at this run, which was done earlier this morning with this model, it's going to give us an idea of where that rain is going to be when, and we'll show basically at the very end of this loop that as that rain starts to move through West Tennessee, there's going to be a band of some heavy showers and thunderstorms approaching West Tennessee just after 6 o'clock tonight. So if I pull back in time, 0 UTC is equivalent to 6 p.m. Central Time. So that rain is still on the very edge of West Tennessee. That's going to be heaviest, bringing a chance for severe weather. As we go forward in time, you see that band move through. So between 6 and about 8 o'clock is when that band starts to finally move in. And then all the way until about 6 o'clock, or I should say midnight, which would be close to 6 UTC, is when that band will finally be exiting West Tennessee. From 6 to midnight then is when the main chance for severe weather is going to be occurring. We're looking at rainfall totals that are going to be close to 4, maybe even 5 inches in northwest Tennessee, with the rest of West Tennessee dealing with as much as 2 inches around the Jackson metropolitan area. And now, as far as our risk for severe weather is concerned, again, we do have a moderate risk for some of those severe storms that could include damaging winds and isolated tornadoes. Here's a look at the tornado risk across the country, showing that parts of the Mississippi Delta and as well as Louisiana, southeast Arkansas have a 15% chance to see tornadoes with any given point, actually 25 miles within a point. And southwest Tennessee is at a greater than 10% chance, so between 10 and 15% chance, with the rest of West Tennessee and between 5 and 10%. So there is going to be a chance to see isolated tornadoes in the area, and that's why you have to watch this very carefully. More likely is going to be the chance to see damaging wind gusts, which is up to 45%, if not greater than that, for a chance of wind gusts 65 knots or greater within 25 miles of a point. So that right now is one of the more likely concerns, along with that flash flooding I just showed you earlier that is occurring currently in northeast Arkansas, southeast Missouri, and western Kentucky, and will be likely for northwest Tennessee as well. Just getting to the final thing, a tornado watch is going to be possible for West Tennessee later tonight. Of course, meteorologist Laura Bannon and I will have the very latest updates coming up on WBBJ later today. I'll be here on just social media, and Laura will be on WBBJ giving you the live look at what's going on in West Tennessee. We'll keep you covered. Just make sure to keep your NOAA weather radios on if you have them, and tie down some of those Christmas decorations if you can too, because wind gusts will be up to 45 miles per hour. So that's the latest update. Of course, stay tuned and be safe out there on this first day of winter.